Well, today we're going to install a windshield washer because mine's broke. I'll explain that. These are the parts you get. You get the thing, you get the hoses and this, and I'll put this all together, show you how I do it. Let's look at the old system. It's a 1982, and there's no pump in here. This is just a hose, which is kind of dumb. They put it here, and then they run the hose into here, and it goes inside. It goes inside underneath, then it comes back out, and the squirters come here. When you turn them on, it keeps squirting, and then my feet was getting wet. So I'm going to do away with this and put the new system in. I'm showing you what I'm going to do. First, we're going to get the windshield wipers off, which you just pry this off with a screwdriver, but we're going to mark them where they went because we know they went right there. If you don't mark them, you're going to forget where they go. Then we unscrewed it here and screwed it underneath. We're going to get this panel off because we want to see if we could reuse. These squirters. And you see how the hoses go inside. That's real smart engineering. So this is the actual squirter on this side. It's the actual squirter on this side. And they were working because I unblocked them last time. So what I'm going to do is pull that off of there and do a test. I got my container and I get my plastic hose that they provided and I shove it in there. I'm going to get the other end of the hose and go up here and hook it up to my squirter. As you can see, I put fluid in there. I got my negative running to my negative battery, and I get my positive and I touch it. There it goes. See it squirting? So I know it works. Well, this has a mounting plate. You see it? It goes right up in there. I'm going to take the mounting plate and mount it right here. So I got my plate in here. I'm going to take this, slide it right down on my plate. That's it. That's mounted. So I'm going to take my ground wire and ground it right in there. So I have this mounted, and I got the hose snuck up in through here, and it's coming out the top here. So now I'm going to splice this in so it all works. I'm going to take the end of the new hose and shove it up in here. Up in there. So I got the new hose into here, and I don't have enough new hose to go to the other one. So I'm going to splice into it with this little splicing piece. So this part's going to go into that hose. This part right here, I'm going to cut it. I'm going to put that in a centerpiece so we get same flow. And then this piece will go through here like this onto this piece like that. Now the moment of truth. Now I'm gonna touch the battery, see if we got squirters. That's it. Squirters are working. Now we just gotta hook the button up. So this is the button they provided, and you just press the button. I'm gonna put that in on the dashboard. These are the squirters that were supposed to go in, but I just used the old ones instead. Now I'm at the dashboard, and I decided I'm gonna put this right in here. So I'm drilling a hole. I got my two wires connected. Personally, I like to solder everything make sure that that's good. And this heat shrink will kind of insulate that. And then if I could hold the camera, you put this, you wrap it around that end and plug it in. Now we tested our squirters. We're going to put our plate back in. And we're going to put our windshield wipers exactly the way they went in before. Now here's my button right there. So I turn the windshield wipers on, hit the squirters, and they're working.